how to move or drag layers up and down in Alight Motion. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you move or drag layers up or down in Alight Motion. So let's get started. First, as you have to open Alight Motion app on your device. After you open Alight Motion, you will get this kind of interface from your Open Your project where it contains layers. After you open project, and if you want to move or drag layers up or down, you'll have to just tap and hold the three dot at the right hand section of your screen. You'll have to just select the layer whom you want to drag. Simply tap and hold on that three lines. After you tap on that, you can simply drag up or down what you want to set or change the position of that layer. Simply you can drag and drop that position of that layers on Alight Motion. So this is the easiest method. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.